I am starting of class 8. Today's assembly session will be maintained by second standard 1. First student thought of the day. I welcome Sajin of class 2 to say thought. Sajin, second standard thought. One best book is equal to 100 different friends. Thank you. Now time to say days of the week. I welcome Shreyas of class 2 to say week. My name is Shreyas, second standard. This Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Thank you. Thank you. Now I welcome Manish of class 2 to ask readers. My name is Manish, second standard. Readers. I am part of your body. I sit between nice and months. I have to go. Who am I? Aspirant and cycle. I am part of your legs. I am 10 in numbers. Who am I? Aspirant and cycle. Thank you. Thank you. Now I welcome Pratham of class 8 to tell about topic my family. My name is Pratham, second standard. My family is a big family. 6 members are there in my family. They are my father, mother, sister,